Hey Tammy and the Cool Tech team over there in Arlington. My name is John Kirkpatrick. Thanks so much for taking the time to watch this video. I own To The Top Marketing down here in Burleson, and I'm making this video just to kind of give you some tips and tricks on your website. And the reason I do this is because I found that when I show people exactly what I do, there's no jargon or fancy SEO terms and words. I'm just going to tell you exactly what it takes and what I would do to get your website to rank. And in return, if you find that you would need help with that or would like information on something, just let me know. And I'll be happy to reach out with you and let you know what it would take to get your website to beat your competitors. So I want to go over 3 quick things today, and that's content, citations, and backlinks. So real quickly here, this is your home page, and content is basically everything that you can highlight on your home page. Even down to what your pictures are saved as can all help you. So this is just, about image. You want to save this picture as HVAC Arlington or AC Repair Arlington, something you want to get found for. You want to have your headings be something that you want to be found for. So Cool Tech Mechanical, you want to be found for your name. That's, it's okay to have that there. But then Heating and Cooling Arlington, Texas, it might sound good, but I can almost guarantee you no one is typing out Heating and Cooling Arlington, Texas. They're searching HVAC company, they're searching AC repair, they're searching heat pump repair, something of that nature. So you want to make sure that your headings and your keyword research is done very thoroughly. So furnace service, Arlington, Texas, that's probably something somebody searches, but just make sure that that is something that gets searched. And you also want to have a lot of content on your page. Google likes to see between 1,500 and 2,000 words of content. It really helps you get ranked because it makes you look like an authority on the subject, and it gives their customers a good amount of content to read through and feel like they're really being informed by the website that they're going to show first. So that would be my tip on that. If you come over here and look at Tom's Mechanical, these are one of your #1 competitors in Arlington. You can see what they've done. HVAC in Arlington, that's something somebody searches for over 100 times a month. HVAC repair and installation Arlington. And then they've got those headings set, and then they work in their keywords again somewhere in the text between 2 and 3 times, depending on how long your paragraph is. You need to add that into your content. So that is my tips for content. Number 2 is citations. Now, we can see here you've got your ads up at the top. When searching for something on Google, this is HVAC Arlington is what I've searched. This is your map pack section. And these are the 3 companies that Google has listed first here. Now, to get listed here, there's a few different things you can do. You want to have lots of activity. Google likes to see social signals. They like to see you posting on Facebook, on Instagram, on YouTube, whatever kind of social channels you have. They like to see activity, and you want to add a bunch of pictures to your Google My Business. They like to see activity through there as well. So they want to see new reviews coming in. They want to see you responding to those reviews and adding pictures that are saved as keywords. Like I said, the same thing with that. You need to save your pictures as keywords you want to be found for. But the most important thing that you can do to get listed in this section is you need to have more citations than your competition. So a citation is basically just your business name, address, and phone number, exactly as it's listed here on your Google My Business. You want that listed throughout as many different directories on the web as you can. So Yelp, Angie's List, Yellow Pages, all of those are the big ones, but there's literally thousands of directories out there. Go out and get yourself some more citations. That'll help you rank up here in this section. So Tom's Mechanical is, like I said, they're showing up #1 for HVAC in Arlington here. And I want to show you kind of what that does for them and their traffic. So this is your site first, cooltechmechanical.com. This is a tool I have called Ahrefs. It's about $100 a month, and I highly recommend you get this tool or something similar if you're going to be doing any of this yourself. It kind of shows you just where your referring domains are coming from, your backlinks are coming from, shows you what you're being found for, and what traffic it's driving to your site. So you've got over 2,000 backlinks coming from 200 different websites or referring domains. You're being found for 716 organic keywords, and it's driving 500 people a month to your website. So you want to have a good link building plan in place. You don't want to add them all at once. So this gradual here is good, but it looks like you're not getting a bunch of powerful websites. You're just kind of getting cheaper or lower domain rating sites. Down here you can see that all of them are kind of in this 0 to 10 range. So you want to make sure you're getting good backlinks. So let's go over here and look at Tom's Mechanical. They have 3.1 thousand backlinks coming from 345 referring domains, being found for 2.7 thousand organic keywords, and it's driving over 2,000 people a month to their website organically. So to beat them, I would come in here and click on the referring domains, figure out where are they getting their backlinks from, and just go do the copycat method. So if they have a link in a directory or a private blog network somewhere, go get the same link. And just match whatever they're doing and just beat them. So if they have 345 referring domains, go out and get yourself 375 to 400. This will help you beat them. But I also wanted to go over real quickly with you your keywords too. The majority of your traffic, this shows you traffic, you're getting 121 clicks a month for Cool Tech Mechanical. Commercial HVAC, that's huge money, so it's really good. You're ranking in the 3rd position there, and you're getting your traffic from that. But then most of your local keywords, you're not really getting a lot of traffic from. So AC installation Arlington, you're 3rd here. If you were number 1, you'd probably be getting more like 15 clicks a month. So you want to improve that. Make sure that's a heading or a page on your website. AC repair Arlington, you're all the way down here in the 13th spot. So you've got good traffic coming in from your name, but you want to capture new customers that are looking for new companies. So AC Repair Arlington is something that you're down here in this 13th spot. You want to improve that. So that is my recommendations for you. That was backlink strategy, citations to get your Google My Business to rank higher, and then we went over your content. You need to have more on your homepage here and work in those organic keywords you want to be found for. That's about all I had for you. I hope you found this informative. If I can help in any way, please reach out to me. I'd be happy to answer any questions that you may have. I hope you have a blessed day. Thank you for watching this.